Want to know how many employees have been with your company, for example, 5 years and above? Let's combine the YEARFRAC and COUNTIFS functions to do just that. Here's a sample HR dataset. We've got employee names, departments, join dates, and their current status. First, I'll calculate how long each person has worked by YEARFRAC and TODAY functions. This gives us the exact number of years between their join date and today, including decimals. Next, we will find out how many active employees have over 5 years of tenure. We will use the COUNTIFS function. And there's your count. This is super useful for HR reporting, tracking long-term employees, or preparing internal awards. This is part 14 of our 500+ Excel tips and tricks series on the channel. Subscribe to stay ahead with practical, real-world Excel solutions. Thanks for watching.